What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today we're going to be talking about Taiwan Semiconductor Company, ticker symbol TSM. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why Ark Investments is invested in this stock, and I'm also going to be dropping some big news about the company that should shoot share prices up $10 to $15. TSM is the largest semiconductor manufacturing company in the world, producing chips for companies like Apple. The semiconductors are these small square components that help flow electricity through the device or product better, and they are made up of conductors and non-conductors. These semiconductors are found in almost every electronic device out there, from TVs to phones. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at TSM's financials, we can see that they have a market cap of $630 billion, and they hit a 52-week high of $136.13. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at TSM's quarter four performance, we can see that they did report a revenue of $361.5 billion, which is a 13.96% year-over-year change. And they also reported a net income of $142.7 billion, which also represents a 23.04% year-over-year change. Now, guys, as we move into a more green generation, we can see the demand for electric vehicles start to increase, but the supply for semiconductors are still very low. Now, guys, as stated in this Bloomberg article, we can see that Taiwan's role in the world economy largely existed below the radar until it came to recent prominence as the auto industry suffered shortfalls in chips used from everything from parking sensors to reduced emissions. With car makers like Ford and Toyota being forced to halt production in idle plants, Taiwan's importance has suddenly become too big to ignore. The US, European, and Japanese automakers are all lobbying with their governments to get help from Taiwan, and TSM is being asked to step in. Now, guys, this news right here is really big due to the fact that if we are lacking semiconductors and Taiwan is mainly the only country that can supply us with semiconductors, then this company TSM is really going to get a big share price boost. And as you can see here, if we go down in the article, it says Taiwan's grip on the semiconductor business, despite being under constant threat of invasion, also represents a choke point in the global supply chain that's giving new urgency plans from Tokyo to Washington and Beijing to increase self-reliance. By dominating the US developed model of outsourcing chip manufacture, Taiwan is potentially the most critical single point of failure in the entire semiconductor value chain. Now, guys, we can see that the supply of semiconductors are really low, but the demand for it is really high. So if we go back to basic economics, we know that when supply is low and demand is high, that means share price or price in general is going to increase. So with this big news right here, we can definitely see a share price increase heading into the future from TSM. TSM has managed to grab the attention of Ark Investment, and as you can see here, Ark Investment, as of January 29th, 2021, actually owns around 3,433,000 shares of TSM. Now, we know heading to next week that the Biden administration is planning on meeting with the Taiwan government, during which they're expected to pressure Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and its peers to ramp up supply of vital chips to American automakers. Now, this is going to be huge heading into the future because we know that if the Biden administration is planning on backing up the TSM company, then the share prices are definitely going to go up. And if they need more chips, then TSM is going to supply that, which is going to bring up their share prices heading into 2021. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at TSM's charts, we could see that since November, they were trading around $83 before finally hitting highs not too long ago of $136.24. And as you can see here, they did pull back after hitting that all-time high to close out today's trading session at $126.66. Now, guys, a couple of areas that I would keep watch for is this 127.64 area. As you can see here, this is a line of resistance, and as you can see, they have been consolidating for the past couple of days, but it looks like they are uptrending to potentially retest this resistance line. And if they can retest this resistance line, then that's going to be a good signal that this stock is just going to do a reversal for the upside, which is going to be really good heading into the future. And if they can break another resistance level here at the 134.08 level, then that's going to be a really good sign that this stock is just going to uptrend and potentially hit new highs. So, guys, with the shortage of semiconductors and Ark Investment investing in TSM, I really think that this stock is going to take off into 2021, and it's definitely something that I would keep my eye on. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go down below, hit the thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys think about TSM heading into 2021. And also, if you want to see more stock videos just like this, make sure you guys go down to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and I make a bunch of stock videos about top stocks that are going to blow up heading into 2021 that you don't want to miss out on. So on that note, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one.